So ja, dis is toiletpapier. Vandag is wat is vandag? Is Saterdag, 2025, Saturday, 21 June. Oh, we got toilet paper. I'm just recording it because there is people that come here to steal our toilet paper. The toilet paper doesn't last long. It's invisible people. They keep on telling me that they've taken it my eye. They've installed a big speaker. They call it a big speaker. And speakers in my ear. And they keep on telling me to take it out. So may the devil give them something in their face to make their face ugly. For all eternity, so they can never hear or see it or find it. So that I can keep on telling them, oh, you're becoming uglier, just take it out. Like they keep on telling me to take their speakers out that I can never see. May they never be able to take the thing out in their face that makes them ugly. For all eternity and all of time, in Jesus' mighty name, amen. My journals. So there is someone that takes our speakers. There's someone that takes our waters, our filtered waters. I think they've already replaced it. They come in at night and then they take this, our clean waters, and replace it with tap waters. I don't know how they get into the house, so I'm still trying to figure it out. And they take your DSTV over and live record and live edit it. Sleep bought me a TV, and then they programmed him to give my TV away. Ian, that works there, just took it. It was my TV. May he be cursed for life with all his TVs and never enjoy any type of TV that exists ever again in all of time. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. Because he stole my TV. The person that stole my house, because it was bought for me in the Met, I too. May you never enjoy your house again. May you lose all your peace in your house, you that stole my house, for all eternity and all of time. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. It wasn't Sipples. Sipples can enjoy and have his peace there. I'm talking about the invisible people. I'm talking about the witches, Shadine Crocker, the Goossens, the Bruins, and the Weed family that has so much real estate, but they want to steal everybody's houses, but they have so much real estate. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. Because that's all you want me to say. Here is Jack. Where's Jack, Turkey? Huh? Jack has got a invisible little jersey over him so that he can't fly. The Savitri three girls, the two little witch girls, that she keeps on telling me is mine. Hallo Jackie. Hulle het vir jou 'n jassie opgesit dat jy nie kan vlieg nie. En ek weet nie hoe om dit af te hou nie. Want dit is die twee blondels. Hulle stomers.